Pike, pikey.
Yeah, that's the pike that comes in.
Come here. Drop that down there.
I can't
Let me tie.
I couldn't tie it because
You're dumb.
you're yelling at me.
Because I'm yelling at you?
Yeah, I can't tie under pressure. Here, pikey.
More pistachio shells.
He's looking at something.
Be gone. Ow.
That was really close.
Jeez, Jack, come on.
I got a water because I'm smart. What the heck? John just stuck his hand. Oh, he's got a fish. Toss the camera. Okay, guys, so if you want a bucket like this one, which is pretty nice, they're worth it. Okay, bye.